So guys, in the finance field, there are different kind of signals. You have the future signals for people who trade futures. You have the sport signals for people who trade sport. And of course, you have the forex signal for people who trade forex. And then we have the arbitrage signals for people who trade arbitrage. In today's class, I'll be explaining what an arbitrage signal look like and how it works. All right. Now, there are different places you can find your arbitrage signal. There are just different places you can find. You can do it by yourself. You can use a paid tool to actually source out your signals. And in today's class, I'll be sharing one of the tools I use to source out my signals. Now, of course, this is a paid tool, but I'll be sharing it for people who actually want to learn how it works. All right. So this is actually very amazing. I've been talking about this tool for a very long time because I've been making use of it. It's actually an arbitrage scanner where you can read that actually scans different exchanges for opportunities, for trading opportunities. So I'm just going to go straight to this area where you find hamburger sign. This is a subscription paid tool, and as you can see, my subscription is active. And definitely, before I show you about that, let's get straight into what the signal look like. So these are arbitrage products. Although one thing about arbitrage signals is that it is not popular. Okay, it is not popular. And in case you don't know what arbitrage means, arbitrage simply means, you know, taking advantage of the price differences between multiple exchanges. Okay, a crypto is sold for a lesser amount. Cryptos are sold for different prices on different exchanges. So definitely when you want to take advantage of those prices, it is called arbitrage. So let's start. Once you click on this area and you scroll down, once you click on, click on the arbitrage screener and you scroll down, the sports screener, you scroll down, you can come to this area and let's start explaining what it means. So for example, this one is called alga slash USDT. Alga slash USDT is the currency pair, okay, which means we are trading alga. Okay, so you're gonna come straight to this area. Once you scroll to this place, you see buy exchange. Buy simply means the exchange at which we are buying. So we are buying alga on Gate.io. You can see this is Gate. Okay, and the sell exchange, which means we are selling alga on Bybit. Okay, you can see the prices and all of that. This is just a paid tool. This is from AI researches and all of that. So you can now scroll, come here to see the volume. Volume simply means how many people are, how much money have been traded with this. Okay, how much money have been spent on this trading. So this is where you find the volume, the amount of people, amount of money that have been exchanged for alga and USDT in the last 24 hours. Then here you can just simply find the percentage profit. As you can see, it is changing. Okay, you can see it is changing. It is not always static. It is not static. You can see from 7% to 3% to 2% to 4% and all of that. It is always changing. Okay, so the profit margin changes, so you can go check it out. So right now you can see it's about 13%, so you can actually change, and that is why you must do your own research even when you have seen that this is what it is. Okay, so the spread is actually the difference of the price between the both exchanges. Lifetime simply means how long it has lasted. Some people want to know how long has this opportunity lasted. This is just 3 minutes and 1 second. All right. So network for withdrawals are Ethereum, and network for deposit Ethereum and Solana and all of that. So once you know all this information, you have to now go and do your research. Okay, do your personal research. Okay, now you're talking about alga, so what you have to do is to simply go to your core market cap. I've always mentioned core market cap must be in your arsenal. You must use core market cap to confirm your signals. Before you even get started with trading, you must confirm anything you want to do with the core market cap. Okay, so I'm just going to come to this area, core market cap. Let's see if we can spot the difference between Gate.io and Bybit. So the crypto name is alga. So you come to the search bar, I write crypto alga, and you have to make sure that it's the same color. And yes, we can find that. I think this is the same color, and I'm just going to click on it, and once you find alga on this area, let's go to the market and see what it is on the market. Okay, looks like I'm making a mistake. It is agla. Agla. Okay, yes, this is more like Angola. And once you are here, so this is the price of alga on the coin market cap. You have to double check. You have to double check. That's the truth. Even for me, that I make use of paid tools, I always double check. So I'm going to click on markets, and I'm certainly going to advise that you have to actually use signals that have higher amount of the percentage profit is actually higher, which is going to be cool for you. So once you are here, so guys, once you are here, this is what you find. Sorry, I mistakenly paused it. So you can see the prices here on Bybit is 0. This is 3801. Here is 4039 and all of that. And this is actually interesting and cool. So from here, you can even decide that, oh, I'm not even buying from Bybit again. Let me just go and buy on Bitmart, because Bitmart has Bitmart's prices. The Bitmart prices are actually cool and lower than Bybit. Okay, now you can see there are other exchanges that sells for lower prices like this ZoomX, but I will not recommend ZoomX. Do you know why? It's simply because ZoomX is not a very popular exchange, and trust me, I rather make use of popular ones like Bybit, Gate.io, Bitmart, Gate.io, Bybit. All these three ZoomX I don't recommend, because I've always mentioned on my first class that using a very popular exchange is very, very important when you are trading your arbitrage. So what you just have to do is that these are their prices, and you just have to look out for the place where you can actually get at a very good price, buy at a very good price, and that is actually okay. It is your spot trading. It is traded on spot, not on futures. That is why you see that this is for sports. Okay, now what is the importance of using a paid tool? I've already mentioned that using a paid tool helps you with a lot of informations. Okay, and just give you specific information that you can make use of. Okay, so on the case of Agla, okay, I think you can see everything that is needed for this spot trading. They can go ahead and carry out the spot trading. For me, I would just prefer buying on Bitmart, and of course selling on Gates, but you have to check out the fees already before you get started. So coming back to my tool, and this is amazing for people who have been asking about this tool. It is just cool. There's so many arbitrage tools out there, arbitrage signal tools, and so many arbitrage groups to join, but I just believe being able to do your own research is perfect. Being able to do your own research is perfect. You should do your own research by yourself, and make all the decisions by yourself. This is very, very powerful. It shares everything you need to know. Okay, so when it comes to the arbitrage scanner, all you have to do is this is arbitrage scanner, and that is what I use. I've always mentioned the link will be in the description, guys, so in case you want to actually use it, this is my subscriptions. I've actually subscribed because it's not free. To get powerful informations like this, you need to subscribe to the tool, and I've shared how to calculate everything. If you check the description under this video, you'll find a link on how to use the tool fully. Okay, you can see this is the one I've actually subscribed to. I paid about $1,012 for a 3 months plan, and it has been okay for me. Okay, it has been okay for me. So to get the arbitrage product, all you have to do is to click on this place where you find arbitrage products. Okay, and like I mentioned, the link will be in the description, please. So you can get direct link to the exchange. So you can click on the arbitrage screener, and once you're on arbitrage screener, this shares all the information you need to know about different pairs, guys. Like I mentioned, you have to look at all these exchanges you see here are legit exchanges. Binance, Bybit, Gate.io, and all of that. Select the ones that are most comfortable, the apps that you have. Exchanges for buying, exchanges for selling. Also, you can just write them down over here, and then you can just put in your minimum amount, which is like maybe what the budget you have. You're not depositing money here. You're not depositing any money here. This is just a tool. This is just a tool that shares different opportunities in the market for trading spot signals. Okay, and that is called arbitrage. And this is just like a budget you want to use, maximum and minimum profit, and then the currency pair. So when you come here, you can see the different opportunity here. You can see Alga is no longer here, but if you go check it out, the margin is still there. So there are other opportunities you will now find here. For example, you can see Vela is here, Vela slash USDT is now here, Bybit and Gate. Okay, you can see Bybit, buying, exchange, Gate, and all of that. So let's go check out that Vela. Okay, let's go confirm that Vela before we call it a day. Okay, so this is just very simple. And in fact, I've always mentioned that, okay, the Vela is back here. I've always mentioned that you can see the lifetime is 2 minutes. Network for withdrawal is so important. The withdrawal network is very important, and it shows you the withdrawal fees and everything. This is the importance. This is what now makes it different from doing the research, carry it all by yourself. Because if you're doing all of these things by yourself, you may not even know the fees, how to calculate fees. You might just enter into it blindly and you just start losing your monies. Okay, so these informations are the reason why people actually use paid tools. Okay, so please, if you actually want to do it by yourself or already understand that there are fees, okay, network for deposit hedging and all of that, so let's just check out Vela, and that will just call it a day. Okay, I wanted to just share this tool so that people who have been asking how does the signal work, you can understand it completely by yourself. So I'm just going to come back to the core market cap and crypto Vela. And once I click on Vela, let's see. Okay, this is Vela over here, and I think it was between Get.io and Bybit also. Vela is actually doing well in the market, but let's just check it out. So Vela is okay. Okay, this is the Bybit pair and Get.io pair. So you can see Bybit is 2581 and Get.io is 4705. I feel they use AI to track this price differences. You don't have to go and verify all of these things by yourself, so you can understand how these tools work, and it's okay. Now, are these signals reliable? Now, what I'm just going to mention is that most of these signals are spotted by AI tools. So it is your job to double check. It's your job to double check everything, guys. Double check everything, all the details. Okay. So this is going to be the end of this class, guys. And I'm so happy I actually taught you how to do this, how to use this tool. It's a free tool, actually. We have free tools. This Coin Market Cap is a free tool, but the Arbitrage Scanner is a paid tool. Okay, so I'm going to leave the two links in the description. You can go check it out, and that will be the end of this class, guys. Let me know if you have any more questions, and I'll see you on the next one.